It is no different than waking up on the wrong side of the bed and just telling yourself that it's going to be a crappy day, so then it turns out to be a crappy day. It's no different than telling yourself that you're going to go to the gym and start to eat healthy, and then after a few days, you say, oh, I'm going to take a break today, and then you keep allowing yourself to take break after break after break because you've told your brain and you're conditioning it to know that it doesn't have to do what you promise it that you're going to do. It is truly a fact that if you don't believe it's possible to make $10,000 a month online, you never will. It is truly a fact that if you don't believe you have what it takes to build a multiple 6 or 7 figure business, then you never will. And coming from somebody who used to be on state aid, built a really successful career, made 6 figures before I turned 30, and then built a 6-figure online business in less than 5 months, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that this hoopla, limiting beliefs, money block stuff is true, and you should really, really listen to people that are more successful than you because what they're saying is not bull. It's just something in realization that you haven't learned yet because you've not seen the success, because you probably don't believe it's possible. And that's the whole point that they're trying to get across to you, that if you really want success, you have to stop having the money blocks and limiting beliefs.